If you're looking to offer free shipping in ShopWired, this video will walk you through the steps quickly and efficiently, saving you time and helping you maximize your business's potential. First things first, let's go over why free shipping is so valuable. Offering free shipping can significantly boost your sales by increasing conversion rates and encouraging higher order values. It's a great way to incentivize customers to complete their purchases. But how can you set it up in ShopWired? The first step is logging into your ShopWired admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the Shipping section under the Settings tab. This is where you'll configure your shipping rules. Next thing, you'll need to add a new shipping rule. ShopWired lets you create rules for free shipping based on conditions like minimum order values, weight, or even specific customer locations. So, choose the type of rule that best suits your needs. For example, if you want to offer free shipping on orders over $50, you can set that as a condition. Now, the third thing to keep in mind is that you can also add free shipping to specific products or categories. This is useful if you want to promote certain items. To do this, go to the Shipping section, find the product or category, and apply the free shipping rule. It's that easy. The fourth thing, consider whether you want to limit your free shipping to certain regions or countries. ShopWired allows you to set shipping conditions based on geographic locations. This feature helps you manage your costs while still offering free shipping to your most important markets. And lastly, don't forget to update your checkout and notification settings. Once the free shipping rule is applied, make sure your customers know about it. This can be a banner on your site or a notification at checkout, letting them know that they qualify for free shipping. It's important to make the offer clear so they feel encouraged to go through with their purchase. At this point, you've successfully set up free shipping in ShopWired. But before you go, there's something I want to mention. While ShopWired has great tools for this, there are other platforms that may offer even more flexibility and features for managing shipping and overall e-commerce growth. If you're looking for a more robust solution for your business, I've got a great recommendation for you at the end. Now, here's the important part. I've partnered with a software provider offering an exclusive and extended free trial for you, our viewers. But that's not all. I've also included a list of alternatives that might be better suited for your shipping needs and overall e-commerce growth, each with their own free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best possible trial and benefits, only available here. So, make sure to check the description for those amazing offers and find the perfect platform for your needs.